In the last video, I said that as soon as we hit this level 8439, I would be interested in shorting. But to be honest, we already hit a few important levels. I already missed the short on the uh, yellow line, which is the 10 EMA on the daily chart. But before that, as you can see, we had insane, really good trades that I'm very proud of. So don't waste a second of your time. This video is not financial advice. Here's what I think will happen. I think that from here, from this moment in time, we'll probably dump, then pump to this level, and from there I can take a short to the downside. That's exactly what I'm planning to do. And I'm pretty much a lot lately, 262 grand on meme coins, a lot on futures, 28 grand on a new wallet that I'm building. So if you want to follow every single trade I have, use the link in the description down below to sign up to my course, and Signals chat to follow my trades. Don't follow them blindly though. Be careful. You can add it to your strategy, tweak it a little bit. And also, I'm using BloFin now, switch from Mexi. There's a user exclusive $30 bonus plus 50% off your spot fees. Check it out. Link in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.